गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग। आवाज आ रही है ना मेरी?
यस सर।
थैंक यू।
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग। एक घंटे बाद। मैंने टॉपिक किया था कवर, क्या पहले नहीं किया? So today our topic is associated with a promotion. How you are communicating the company's image, company's product information, the company's policies regarding the product and their plans. In all these aspects, communication play a vital role. But with the changing time, we find that there are different changes in the communication. Young generation is associated with the internet, Facebook, Twitter, and other social media. They are associated with each other, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, etc. And in present time, you find that different marketing tool or communication tools are emerging with the information technology. We are getting more issues, more aspects in
All right.
the different areas. When we find that individual who is your customer, he or she, how they can be communicated, Again, communication, whatever you are communicating, that should be understood by the target customer or the target consumer. Because if it is not properly understood by the consumer, then it will be harmful for the company. Here you see the company, how the company is communicating to the consumer. Sender to the receiver. Nothing is different. Whatever you have gone through in the communication process, the same thing is there here.
क्या हो गया?
In this, those areas, in these areas, when we find the individuals associated with the company, how they are communicating to the target customer. From sender to the receiver, you are making an ad. Earlier we were forced to see the ad. The chitrar was there, program was available on the TV, and we have to see that advertisement between the program or between the movie, etc. But with the changing time, we are having different tools. Nowadays, you can record your movies, you can record your program, and whenever you are interested that you can see. Again, you can avoid the advertisements, etc. That means now the tool is in the hand of the customer. Presently, the customer is playing a vital role. Whether he or she is interested to see that advertisement on the television, on the social media, wherever advertisement is available, that is depending upon the target customer, whether he or she is interested to see. So the communication process is very sensitive aspect, because if you are accepting a wrong communication tool or wrong communication method, then it will be a futile exercise. It will be a futile exercise. So you have, because you need to identify who is your target audience, whether the target audience is available or this target audience is interested to see your program. You have to see, you have to come up with that idea, that plan in the different area. Here that the company is there, company is planning, the Coca-Cola is planning how to communicate to the consumer. Now the company persons are deciding whether we should go with which tool. Should we go with a program? The Olympics are there. Should we advertise it in the Olympics? Should we communicate it in the television? Should we communicate it through the LinkedIn? Should we communicate it with the Facebook, WhatsApp? The different tools are available. Either it is the neon sign, glow sign, or hoardings. Different tools are available. Events are available, and how you are communicating to the target customer. So here you have to see how you are communicating. The transmitter encoding the message. Now that the encoding the message which is understood by the consumer, that we are transmitting that message. The company people do the research, identify the nerve of the customer, find out the proper solution, that this will be an appropriate tool for the consumer or the customer, that will be beneficial for us. So here you have to take in consideration how you will be managing this message, because the person should be able to understand the message, go through the message, work on the message. It will be beneficial for that individual. They are also planning about the budgeting, because the effective tool is there, but again whether it is in our budget or not, we have to take that in consideration. Because when we are taking this in consideration, how you are encoding the message according to the target customer, as well as now you are also deciding the communication tools, media, which media you are going to use. As I told that if you are using the wrong media, presently young generation is more associated with the social groups. They are more associated with the different apps, and they go through those apps, etc. On the other hand, marketer is also intelligent. Wherever you are going for any area, you are going for any advertisement, you are going for any website, you are going for your study material, everywhere you will be getting the advertisement. Everywhere you will be getting the advertisement. Either you go for the slide share, you go for the material on a particular website, you find that everywhere the advertisement is available. The communication is available by the company and you are targeted by the company. The young generation is there. Then young generation will be associated with the social media and the older generation will be associated with the television, etc. Neon sign or glow sign, as well as with the retailer, wholesaler, etc. So here the customer is getting the advertisement, and what is the feedback over there? The customer is deciding about the product purchasing or not. That the company has to decide. Here we have already discussed about the promotional base, how you are selling any product in the different area, that you are utilizing that marketing communication. The advertisement is available in front of you. As I told, that advertisement is available in front of you, and in this advertisement you are getting the information. What is the objective of that advertisement? You have to also take that in consideration. What is the objective of that advertisement? You have to take that in consideration, that this is my objective. Is it only the awareness, that, or it is associated with the interest? It is associated with the desire? Is it associated with the action? How you are communicating, how you are moving towards the target customer. So here, when we talk about the personal selling, the Eureka Forbes, etc., when you get the product information through the company person, company people, they are selling their product, giving the information about the product. Eureka Forbes, the people who are coming at your home, giving you the information and educating you, making you literate about the product or the service in the respective area. So here you are deciding how this issue is managed in those areas. When we talk about the public relationship, that the company is coming with the different tools, communicating the target customer, in those respective areas. How that company is going for creating the relationship with that target customer. Here, company may be organizing some events, activities in the different hotels. The chefs are available, and these chefs are organizing some activities or events to educate the people about the food, etc. Here, the objective is creating the personal relationship with the target customer, making them literate, making them educated, and getting the target objective achieved. Publicity. When we are going through the neon sign, when we are going through the glow sign, the info, that the mass media. Here, mass media, that it is associated with the masses. When we talk about the mass media, it is associated with the masses and the individual who are associated with those areas, how they will be working, how they will be functioning in that respective areas. We have to take this in consideration. The direct marketing, which is associated with the TV, the programs you are seeing on the television, directly the company is giving the advertisement and they are getting the selling the product directly. In those respective fields where the company is associated over there. Again, when we are talking about the communication, how the company is interacting, how the company is interacting with each other. The organization people are deciding that this tool is beneficial for us, and accordingly they are going for those target customer communication. How you are communicating to the target customer. Then the sales promotion. Sales promotion is associated with the company is organizing different type of contests. Different type of contest. And after these contests, then the company may be giving the reward. Reward in the form of Maruti 800. Maruti to the different contestants. Big Boss or any program associated with the music, dance, the events, and they are advertising here, and the sales that time when they are organizing some contest or giving some discount in those contests. So here we find the different aspects of the market. Here that advertising is there, sales promotion is there, events and experiences are there, public relations and publicity is there, direct marketing is there, interactive marketing is there, and the personal selling is associated with this. AIDA model. Awareness, intention, desire, action. So this model is playing a vital role because when you are targeting your customer, when you are interested to communicate with your customer, then how you are deciding about the target customer. What is your objective here? That in this area that you are finding that what is the objective? Awareness, interest, desire, and action. So your communication is associated with IDA model. So in this AIDA model, that you find that this is our intention, this is our target, and according to that you are communicating. So that if you are going for the advertisement here, that in this advertisement that you find that advertisement is comparatively effective in the awareness. When we go for the interest, over there, it is also effective over there. Again, that when it is going for the desire, it is creating the desire associated with the thumbs up, associated with the Britannia cake, desire, Coke, Coca-Cola, desire associated. But again, whether that it is associated with that the target purchasing action. When we are talking about the action, then this action is available over there or not over there. We have to see in those areas. In that areas, we have to take that in consideration. How the advertisement is playing an important role, we have to take this in consideration in those respective areas. How you will be performed. So here, दिख रहा है ना क्लास ले रहा हूँ. So here we have to take that in consideration how the advertising is working. When we talk about the public relationship, then how this relationship is playing a role. How this public relationship is playing a role, that again that it is interactive when it is associated with the interaction over there. And how it is effective, again when it is going up to the action, then it is associated with the less effective. You are going for in the rural area, that you are educating the people that this particular tractor is beneficial for this harvesting. You are giving them the training. In the different melas, you find that whenever we are going in the melas, that the shopkeepers or the company persons, they are educating us. They are educating us how to utilize or use their product. How these are beneficial. This is giving us information. But it is associated with the cognitive aspect associated with your decision making. When we are talking about the sales promotion, here it is comparatively effective. Discount is there, events are there, Big Boss is there, Own Badega Crorepati is there. In those areas, again, in the different areas, you find that advertisement is through the different modus operandi, but is the company's modus operandi over there. You have to see when we talk about the personal selling, that it is more effective in creating the desire, and it is associated with the action. Again here, this is less effective. What I wish to say, when we are planning about the communication, we have to see that what is our objective. Earlier we have discussed what is that. Again, when we are talking about sender, when we are talking about the encoding, and then when we are transmitting it, again we are decoding it, again it is associated with the feedback, or it is associated with the disturbance you are getting in the communication process in those areas. So here you find that how the communication process is utilized in those respective areas. So you have to take that in consideration. So here, when we talk about the communication process, we have to see that how this communication process is working. When we are talking about the marketing plan, that how that we are promoting the program over there, how we are utilizing the communication process over there. As I earlier discussed, when we are deciding about the communication process, this communication process, how much it is effective. Again, whatever we have discussed, whether advertisement is there, that again advertisement is effective over there or not. What is the objective of the advertisement? Whether it is associated with the what stage of AIDA model? What stage of AIDA model? Hoardings in front of the university. AIDA, awareness and interest. Two aspects are there. Hoardings in the people are getting aware about it. What is the objective of advertisement? Again, that here what message you are interested to give the encoding and decoding. When we are talking about the sales promotion, that what is the objective of the sales promotion over there? And what will be the sales promotional strategy adopted by the company? The company is deciding that this strategy will be effective in those areas. So here you identify that how the PR publicity objective are there, and in this publicity objective how you are able to communicate these issues as in our previous example. You see here, you find that what is the effectiveness of those areas. When we talk about the direct marketing is comparatively one thing. When we talk about the direct marketing, the company itself is appointing the individual in the personal selling, and when the company is associated with the direct marketing, here the company is appointing some agency for selling their product directly to the consumer. And in the present time, internet is playing a vital role. Here, what is the role of the communication? Email advertising is there, as well as the blogging is there, websites are there, Google search is there, a different mode or modus operandi the companies are adopting for their marketing strategy. Again, when we talk about the advertisement, when we are going for the advertisement, any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods and services by an identified sponsor, that is advertising. But when we are going for the advertisement, how the advertisement will be effective? What is the objective of our advertising? What modus operandi we should adopt for the advertising? We should take in consideration that which media will be suitable for us. An effective media will be beneficial for us, and we have to go for that effective media. How we will be going for this effective media selection. Because when we talk about the company, when we talk about the organization, we have to take in consideration how the advertisement will be better, effective. One advertisement or one promotion strategy done by Coca-Cola. Earlier, the Coca-Cola introduced a strategy that whatever you I like that nowadays the companies are giving you the data. Earlier the companies were giving you the data after the purchase of some product, that you are getting some data. The Coca-Cola came with a modus operandi that if you are purchasing Coca-Cola, with the Coca-Cola you are able to download some song with the from the Coca-Cola website. So individual is again individual was getting the song according to his age. So the company did the study that if this individual is a young person, that he will be interested in the songs which are new. So through the artificial intelligence, they are identifying that the age of the individual as well as the song he or she can download. One time, the Coca-Cola came with the modus operandi that happiness. You go in a particular area where that you there was a big this container of Coca-Cola, and you go hug that container and have a photograph with this. Photograph with this. So it was an effective tool. So here when we talk about the company, when we talk about the organization, how you are going for any advertising, any tool, you have to take that in consideration. Again, when we talk about the communication process, that why the effective advertisement will be there, because you have to select the target audience, and again that you have to be creative. Nowadays the major problem is associated with the advertising, that the person is able to see that advertisement for the longer time. Analytics, what we call that is analytics. Nowadays you find that on the that your email etc, you are getting the different messages of the study on the analytics, that analyzing your behavior, analyzing your work assignment. Every advertisement or every website, every mail is interested to get your information. You have to accept that cookies, they are getting you the information. You have to put your password also, they are getting your information. And in every app it is written over there that this app may contain some advertisement over there. You are getting the advertisement in that way. So whenever we are talking about these communication channels, then how that you are able to communicate this advertisement effectively for the target customers. You have to see how you are able to see that issue or that target associated with your marketing area. When we are talking about the advertising, that you are identifying that what is the strategy over there in those respective area, what is the objective over there. We have to do some study for this. What is the present target customer profile? What is their cultural background? What is their social background? What is their economic background? What is their demographic name? See, think demographic segmentation according to their segmentation, demographic aspect. So here you find the issue associated with the advertising plan. You are analyzing the situation, that which situation is there, that what is the current marketing scenario, what is the current marketing scenario, what is going on in the market. According to the type of product you are introducing. So here you find certain issues in the advertising and the planning. Apart from that, you are doing the analysis of the objectives. What are your objectives? Out of that, achievable or not achievable objectives. You should not take non-achievable objectives. Accessible, objectives need to be there. Because whenever you are making the project, also that you are making that type of objective that which is not having any relevancy. You do a small work, but that should be having the relevancy with this area. This is associated with that objective, that what is our objective, that whether our target customer is associated with the B2B marketing, B2C marketing, or C2C marketing. Again, in the different type of marketing strategy, you are having the different modus operandi in those areas. So you have to take that in consideration. So the objective, what is your budget? According to that, I attended a seminar before sometime in Delhi that was associated with the marketing. In that, this advertisement was associated with the company which was associated with the airline. So the individual who was available over there, he informed about his advertising. He told that we make an advertisement for railways. Railways, we make an advertisement. In this advertisement, the railway platform was shown, and in the railways, the people were shot, and nothing was there, only that the day-to-day activities, and after that they hired the voice of some actor. The actor was associated with that company, and he find that the young persons are going for some advertisement, and this is associated with the railway, and he accepted his giving his voice free of cost. And the advertisement was made only in 5,000 rupees. Advertisement was made in only 5,000 rupees. One more advertisement he made. That individual was only of the 25 years old. Then he made another advertisement associated with the airlines. This was associated with the railway and not the associated with the airlines. When a student is going for the hostel, the advertisement was in such a manner. When a student is going for the hostel, what he require? What he require in the bag? Then he told that what we did only that we identified that how do you pack a bag? How do you pack a bag? In the bag, what are the items a hostelers are using? Only we bought a pressure cooker which was smaller one, because whenever you are going for the hostel, your mother is giving you some achar, chutney and sabji, as well as some clothes, as well as some products, toiletries, etc. The basic things. And then how you manage these in a particular that box, or what you attach here in that. So here, that is the creativity then how you are nowadays that young persons like you people are making some advertisement with their creativity, with the better creativity. So budgeting can be adjusted over there. That I was interested that how you can adjust the budgeting and what is your strategy, that in that strategy where you are marketing over there, how you are marketing there. अब एक मैंने आपसे कहा था कि दैट यू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, अब आपने किया नहीं किया दैट इज सेपरेट थिंग, बट दैट ए कंपनी मेक विद द concept of advertising, then they when they make advertisement on YouTube, again they placed their people in Connaught Place of Delhi and Karol Bagh of Delhi, that again whenever the people are going for the lunch, going at the lunch, only you give them that you please subscribe our channel and giving them a this chocolate was given to the individual that who is interested over there, that is subscribing the channel and again getting the chocolate over there. So the company find that in their modus operandi they were able to attract the thousands of subscribers within a short span of time. So here it was that what is the marketing strategy, how you are doing for the execution and how you are evaluating those aspects. So the sales promotions, when we talk about the sales promotion, then how the sales promotions are effective, because when you are going for the sales promotional activities, that you have to make some specific objective. What is your technique for doing the work? Again, that whenever you are going for the sales promotion, it should be easily understood in every area. It should be easily understood, and whatever is your concept, that should be understood by the target customers. Again, the message of any advertisement should be very much clear in every area, not only that in the sales promotion that we work with. Again, an effective tool. What is an effective tool? You have to decide. What is an effective tool? You have to decide according to the available resources. Again, that you have to come up with the mix of the advertising, mixture of the advertising in that particular areas, how you are working or how you are functioning in those respective areas. So here you are doing the advertisement, you are performing your activities in those respective areas, and you have to work accordingly. When we are going for the sales promotions, then again in the consumer, that you are going for the new product or the old product, you have to take in consideration that in the, as I told, that in the event activities, that the companies are giving you the information how to utilize any source or any product, how to run that particular product. That different training programs are coming from the award nowadays. Different training programs coming from Facebook over there. Different training programs are available from the Google classes. These are available, and they are the individual is associated with the fairs and festivals which are organized from time to time. In those fairs and festivals, they are educating, they are making the people literate about the product or the services. They are making them literate in those respective areas. So here you have to see the different aspects, because when you are giving the coupons, that again it is promoting the product over there, or the displays demos are available over there. You have to take that in consideration, that again, one thing is there, that how much it is cost effective. You have to take in consideration that how the cost effectiveness is there, and again whether it is associated with your AIDA model. AIDA: awareness, interest, desire, action, and whether it is associated with that. When we are talking about the old products, that it is associated with the premium aspect, that is associated with the contest. We are going for the contest over there, and we are going for the free gifts with some purchase over there. We are going for the price reduction aspect. So here we have to take that in consideration. How do you manage? How do you manage the different aspects in the different? When we are going for the advertisement, the confidential letters, that we are getting the letters from an email, etc. in the present time, as well as the fashion shows, as well as the spare parts, that you are adding, that you are giving some support over, giving them the information in the trade areas, and then giving them the different aspects associated with the making the people aware about the product or the services. This was associated with your promotional aspect, how it is associated with your study, that is uh, advertising and communication strategies. That's all for today. If you have any question, yeah, we will be sharing the information regarding your test, etc. very soon. Again, apart from that, your internal will be decided within this week, because till Saturday I will be completing my syllabus in this subject. And as some of the students told me that I have to share the case studies, I will be sharing them, some case studies today or tomorrow. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Again,
Thank you, sir.
3 or 4 students who are interested for international project, they have to discuss with me that again the company will be the people from the company will be interacting with the students on I think the either 7th of September, and after that your work will be started. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day.